Don't know what they are behind the scenes right now. Act 1, you see me, so we go.
Act 1, scene 1.
Do the beat up scene. Ready?
Act 1, scene 1 of Use and Abuse. And this is rehearsal 1.
My wife will beat me up.
I know me I beat you, but you beat me up.
Some joke thing. Yo.
Alright. But then I started doing it. Alright, come ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so
we're rehearsing it now.
So you want to do? Watch it a bit.
Alright. You know what I do over.
Watch it.
You watch it. Phone?
No, this. Yeah, my current, I suck it on the body, please.
Pause it and say, oh, no, pause it. Yeah, current it. Now he's up there. Everybody, so we're behind the scenes of Use and Abuse. Alone probably see me talk about this already, but why not? And basically we're going to shoot our first scene today. The scene that we're shooting is me packing up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this behind the scenes. And remember to like, subscribe and share, and let's get to it, Steven.
Action.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, man, may I come now? Alright. Yeah, man, they send me location. I'm avatar everything already. Yeah, I'm on my way. Alright. Bye. And cut. Yo, you're definitely asleep for real. The phone ring twice.
No, but no, I mean, yeah, you know me. Say it again. Okay.
Come, let me say something. I'm for say. People were walking on the road to scene 2, location 2. Bridge my face, Ashwa.
Bright and clear,
oh, good. Yeah, so we're going to do our next location right now. Behind the scenes.
Oh, there, though. Oh.
I'll pretend some more. I need to shout out everybody here because we're all YouTubers. But a little bit more shout out everybody tell about themselves.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, so we finished Act 1 and 2, right, of Use and Abuse, and it was so much fun, everybody. And we at Hero Circle. Boy, shout out to your YouTube channel.
Yeah, Boyd Grant, you know. Yeah, man, straight up.
Boyd Grant. Many people don't know you put up on your channel, no?
What yeah, where put your channel?
Alright, yeah, this is Boyd Grant from Better Must Come. The show with like
Better Must Come.
The show for Draco there. That's the, what you call it, the series Top Boy. Several top stars, the whole heap of shows to them, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, music video for like Europe and them people there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, whole heap of movie. You just have to watch a channel, you see me? Whole heap of small skits and them things, you see it? Yeah,
alright. And you guys know me, I'm Rose and Lauren JM, and you're watching the series here on my channel.
Don't know, it's a boy Steve Bunny, the actor comedian. Let's check out my YouTube channel, Steve about skits, you see it?
The policeman, if ever play police scene and everything.
Yeah.
And he said, girl, you want a camera from? Yeah! Yeah, you want a camera from me, and I don't know. In the building.
Yeah, man, you don't know, say Breezy Empire, you know what I mean? Subscribe to the Breezy Squad TV, you know what I mean? Dancer / actor / comedian, you know what I mean? You know the badness already.
I know him is what this boy we in. Alright, so that's it for Act 1 and 2 behind the scenes. I will see you guys on the rest of the behind the scenes. Bye! Bye! Mommy keep on calling him wrong. Mommy, I am going to fire you.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah. Oh, when a movie star, so we have to watch a movie star to tell you what I do.
Listen, mommy. You sit down. La 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 la. Alright. You sit down and read the Bible. Meditate a while. Put on your Bible. I wonder what's wrong with Anna.
Yeah.
Why my man went for her a while ago?
Yeah, why my man went for her?
And then now you go. Tyler Perry movement. They start praying. Father God, take me picking them. Hope our man change, kind of war man situation. Hope him not build a bad way, come and know. Never horrible dream, whatever. Here's our prophets born and picnic. Never horrible dream, God rebuke it.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
this and that, turn it down in the house.
That's terrible.
Like when you pray in a real life, when you tell you do like that, there's and now God rebuke it. Rebuke any, you know,
Yeah.
evil.
Yeah.
Change him out.
You know, so yes, your clearance for your kids, them, so you know, so you go hard. Yeah, you know when, yeah.
You can't even go for and say, Jesus, something.
Alright.
And they went down there.
Jesus.
Say, when you had that mouth, the phone never ring. The next thing, don't pray, and they say, I'm a call, you know, like a sign from God.
Yeah. Next time you talk slowly, man.
And then them call, you know, I must say, you know, see your daughter. I can't tell you, so just have pray for her. What happened? Hope she alright. I say, yeah, man, she alright, man. But I'm not see her. I know she gone. Just open and I say, guess open and not do her this time. I come and know you. I say, no, my mom, I'm not do her. I know from what the men are live. Well, I matter. From what the men are live good enough. I know she just take up herself and come. If I know man, she have. I say, you know she not getting no bone.
Yeah, that's somebody talk, you know, she not again, no?
We don't know. The talking you are all you talk, but make it sound powerful.
Yeah.
But say the people I'm lazy watching them girl lie down, especially Steven. Steven, why you so lazy?
Oh, wait, my wife, man. Steven.
We have work to do, Steven. Tiny whiny.
Me not stopping, no?
No, true, but why are you?
What are you going to be there to see him?
Finally, people, we have the entire space for ourselves. Look how big the place is. Look how big, look how big, look how big, look how big, look how big. I'm still going back. Whoa! Y'all never know how big it was, right? And there are more spaces, but we're not going to the other side. I'm not going to show you guys the other side next time. We're going to do I guess a killing scene or a gangster scene for their show. I'll show you the next side.
Hey. I know you want to say
that.
Somebody and I get close.
My husband can
say something going, you know.
He want to full of mix up, you see?
Rosa, what would you know?
No, not going to
No, cut the camera, we could talk.
No, we're not going to cut the camera. We can't talk. See, I'm a friend.
Yeah, friend, we are YouTubers, you know.
Why YouTuber? My husband never show you, right? Come give a shot to my husband. Come husband. Yo, I'm not even paying for now.
Your bed full up, you know.
Something going on.
Come, let's go change. We have to go change. That's a mix up on the She full of mix up. Full of mix up.
Guys, go and follow my YouTube channel so that you can get the behind the scoop of what going on, know the things they want in the record.
But someone love wine, wine. Tiny, I open the wine see.
Yeah, try program. Come say them wine, come here.
Oh no. You know when you get that no trap, no problems. No, you get no problem.
I have me can't work side, I want to work on it.
No, I want to work on it. Happy there, everybody.
You can't do it, so you're stiff.
Roseanne, sink in your back,
Go back, sink.
Sink in your back.
Sink, wait a minute, sink.
Sink in your back.
You can't sink no more than that. I know about butter.
You're stiff, brother. You don't have video you want. You don't look good at all.
But we look good at one, move a bad mind.
Come work side, come here.
Come go by Edmonds, go by Edmonds.
You can't go from Edinburgh. What time I know?
Twerk,
I try. What time I know?
After 11.
She's on.
That's all time for her. Twerk. I'll finish your seed. She mad. You hear that?
Me the one do you for the vlog.
But you can't leave.
Guys, the
Come
next 2 months, we can't go from next. Where's the one good man? What is
Yes. Yeah, behind the scenes, I don't know it's the boy Steve Bun.
Policeman Steve.
Yeah, remember the introduction back then, I don't know it's the boy Steve, but right now they're up on scene, you know? Boyd Grant, a big actor from Better Must Come, Rose and Lawrence.
Yes.
Q1 the yard and Big Bad Dancer, you don't know, Beersy, you see it, so right now they are shoot up the last scene, I remember it's the boy Steve Bun out.
Right, pop! 3, action. Steven, this is you, right? Steven.
Cock it up on the dump for choke. Hey,
focus.
Don't know if you look like a ray.
Almost is me, Roger.
my foot hurt, my breezy. Get up now.
So you look breezy.
I'm not going to breezy. I'm going to already get know so much transparent. And I'm like,
It's already. You know, fully eat it. Still
I don't eat here, but I like it better.
Still have a little touch, man.
Not
Yeah.
They're just friends.
She had another son.
She me don't tell her already.
Try to your wedding. Remember when she never loved